I'm not sure. Maybe we put that first in charge, guys, and check later before I go to work. Because cordless ito, guys. So, let's see how it goes. At, meron akong, I ordered an hula hoop, guys. I have 3 already hula hoop. The first one is have the, yung half hump ba, yung brown yan siya sa hula hoop. Tapos yung loob ng round niya, yung tatama sa tiyan mo ay may parang bukol. So, hello, hello, hello! Good afternoon, guys. Well. So, saan bang camera dito? Andito na naman ako ngayon, guys. At meron akong papakita na nabili ko. So, I bought this in yellow basket. So, yellow basket lang iyan natin dahil kasi bawal bigasin yung up na yun. So, basta nasa black up siya. So, I bought this one, the comb trimmer sa mga split ends. This one is a chargeable. That's what's that. It's a chargeable. Yeah. I want to try now in my hair. How to open it? Hair trimmer. Ayan. Close. Saan ang on and off nito? You check the manual, guys. 2-in-1 hair trimmer. So, cordless daw siya. How to on and off? Wala naman. On and off. Saan na on and off? On and off. Then, battery indicator. Hair care work on. Off area. May try, guys, kung paano ba ito. Saan ba itong ano na ito? Sabi on dito. Battery. Let's check inside the battery. Ano ba ito na I don't know. Yeah. Sabi na on dito. Ganun kasi dahil parang plancha siya ng buhok. Pero hindi siya ano. Charge natin muna, guys. I put this in charge kasi chargeable naman siya. At may kasama siyang clip, guys, para hindi masali lahat ng ano. Diba ito? I-charge ko muna tapos i-ano natin. Ipapakita ko sa inyo paano gamitin. May brush siya. May dalawang clip. Dalawang clip ang kasama. Then, ito cord brush para pang-remove ng ano, ng hair. So, just put this in charge kasi long time I bought this, guys, but I never try. So now before we use, we need to put in charge first pala. So Cordless naman siya guys, but need to charge first. Put this in charge. May charger pa dito. Sa gilid ng bed. So, ayan. Wala namang ilaw. Pero may battery ba siya, guys? Ayan, may ilaw. May ilaw pala siya dito. Okay. Really, I'm not sure. Maybe we put that first in charge, guys, and check later before I go to work. Because cordless ito, guys. So, let's see how it goes. At, meron akong, I ordered an hula hoop, guys. I have 3 already hula hoop. The first one is have the, yung half hump ba, yung brown yan siya sa hula hoop. Tapos yung loob ng round niya, yung kasama sa tiyan mo ay may parang bukol. So, may bukol-bukol. So, masakit siya talaga pag iikot mo sa katawan. So, the next one I ordered two for me and my kulot. So, that is yung ano naman siya, yung ilagay mo lang dito sa katawan mo tapos may babigat siya na ano, parang bola na ikot-ikot mo, ganun mag-dance-dance ka lang pa kembot-kembot. So, iikot yung ano, yung parang ball yung mabigat. So, bato, parang bato ganun. So, hindi ko rin nagamit kasi maliit ang space sa kwarto sa bed, sa bahay namin o sa living room. So, yung the other day, may nakita na naman akong sale na hula hoop. So, bumili na naman ako guys. So, that's why I have a lot of stock of hula hoop. So, napuno na nga ito para na mag-gym yung bahay namin. May treadmill ako, hindi naman ito gamit. May jumping rope, hindi naman nagagamit. So, this one we try. Wow, I have the previous jumping rope as well. Wow. Previous jumping rope.
It's like for kids.
No. My previous jumping rope, so dalawa na naman yung jumping rope namin. So, it's a green color. Kasi nag-sale ito guys, but the color is only green ang nakuha ko. Wala ng color na pink. So, green na lang.
I wanna open it and see.
Kung titit mo.
Conky
Plain siya guys. This is nice kasi only plain.
What is this?
Hula hoop.
Why is it so soft?
Just a plain. Look.
Oh, I wanna try it.
Plain lang siya.
I wanna try it.
Ayan, plain.
Whoa. Wait, can I speak in it? Hello.
Maliit lang ito nga ano guys, round. Hindi siya masyadong
Thanks.
malaki. Kaadikan ko talaga sa ano guys, sa black up. So, ito nangyayari.
I like that.
Pero hindi naman ako bumibili ng kamahalan guys. So, okay lang. So, mapagastuhan ako. Hindi naman kamahalan.
Oh my god.
Green one. Give me the green one. You see, you check the another time.
Well, it's 16 seconds. It's half past 16. It's 16.
Oh, what?
It's 16. 1662. 1662.
Kasi yung isa, yung nabili ko naman, may hamster. Ito dito, oh, yung ilalim. So, masakit yung ano niya, masakit yung tama niya sa tiyan.
Mommy,
Hmm.
it's 1623.
I have ano guys, yung body trimmer naman na yung tatayo ka lang tapos ikot-ikotin. Hindi ko rin yung nagamit.
I'm good at doing it. I'm definitely good at doing it.
This one is heavy for you.
No, I can carry it.
Yeah. You try? Okay.
Yeah.
Pang ano ito?
I don't know that big. Oh my god.
Nagka-release siya.
Come on.
I check for what, or is it going? So, yan lang po guys, yung ating ano,
I'm
ang ating
so
ganap for
big.
today before I go to work. So, i-check natin kung okay na ba itong ano natin.
Wow.
Sabi, there's on here, but I'm not
I
sure.
can't do it. I wish I had my look at it so big.
We try now. Oh, look, we have the green already. So, like this.
Oh my god.
Ganun na siya.
What? What is the noise? The noise is so scary.
Ano?
The noise is so. Oh! It worked! Mommy, do it. It will work.
Not enough. I'm not charged.
What are you doing? I'm just going to close it.
Hindi pa yata charged. Lobat pa yata, guys. Hindi na true. Mamaya babalikan ko
Oh my
kayo, guys,
god,
pag
Mommy,
okay na
why
yung
is
ano.
this
Kasi,
too big? Why
kasi
is it
lobat
too
pa
big?
siya.
I wish I had.
Yung mga split ends natin sa dulo dito, tinatanggal niya yung split ends. Hindi siya nakakat ng buhok, kundi yung split ends lang natin sa dulo. Yung mga No! Yung mga split ends lang natin dito ang natatanggal yun. Yun lang.